welcome to this channel. In this video we will discuss about Pythagorean triple. What is a Pythagorean triple? If a square plus b square is equal to c square, if a square plus b square is equal to c square, then a, b, c are known as the Pythagorean triple. So now we will learn how to make a Pythagorean triple. If n is odd, that is n is 3, 5, 7, 9, etc., then the Pythagorean triple would be n square minus 1 by 2 and n square plus 1 by 2. The Pythagorean triple would be n square minus 1 by 2, n square plus 1 by 2. For example, let's take 5. Then first would be 5, and that is n square equal to 5 square, that is 25 minus 1 by 2 and 25 plus 1 by 2. That is 5, 24, 12 and 13. 5, 12 and 13 is a Pythagorean triple. This is for order. If n is even, if n is even, that is n is 4, 6, 8, 10, etc., then there is also a formula, that is n by 2 square minus 1 n by 2 square plus 1. This will be the triple. For example, take 6. So that would be 6 by 2 square minus 1, 6 by 2 square plus 1. So that is 6 by 2 is 3 square is 9 minus 1 equal to 8 and 9 plus 1 equal to 10. Like this you can make other Pythagorean triple also. Have a nice day.